You see them winning, smiling, thriving, while you're stuck comparing your every move to someone else's highlight reel. Cut to fast clips of luxury cars, vacation spots, and influencer content, jealousy creeps in like a shadow, and suddenly your peace? Gone. But what if I told you the Stoics, ancient masters of the mind, held the secret to breaking free from this toxic emotion? Don't skip this video, because what you're about to learn could silence that inner critic forever. And trust me, you need to hear this. What is jealousy, really? Jealousy isn't just envy. It's a toxic mix of fear, inferiority, and a loss of control. It whispers lies. They're better than you. You'll never have that. You're falling behind. But the Stoics, they saw jealousy for what it truly is, an illusion born from false judgment. In other words, like it's not their success that's hurting. It's your thoughts about their success. A Stoic story, Marcus Aurelius and the Green-Eyed Monster. Let's go back. Rome, 2nd century AD. Marcus Aurelius, emperor, philosopher, Stoic. But even an emperor isn't immune to whispers of comparison. His co-emperor Lucius Verus was charming, popular, and loved by the people. Yet Marcus didn't compete. He didn't crumble under the weight of someone else's spotlight. Why? Because he understood. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. He chose thoughts of virtue, duty, and reason, not envy. What the Stoics teach about jealousy. Let's break it down. The Stoics offer 3 powerful tools to crush jealousy at its root. Control the controllables. You can't control other people's wins, wealth, or fame, but you can control your reaction. Every time jealousy rises, ask yourself, is this in my control? If not, let it go. That's the Stoic path. Memento mori. Remember, you will die one day. You'll die. So will the person you envy. Their car? Gone. Their fame? Forgotten. Jealousy melts away when you realize how little time you have to waste on it. 3. Rejoice in others' success. Sympathia. The Stoics believed in sympathia, the interconnectedness of all people. When someone else wins, it's a win for humanity. So when others rise, celebrate them. Their success doesn't subtract from yours. It expands what's possible for us all. Modern-day jealousy. How to practice Stoicism. Today, all right, let's get real. You're not in ancient Rome. You're in 2025. Jealousy now comes in high definition, social media, cut to scene. Scrolling TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn wins. It's harder than ever to stay grounded. But here's what you can do. Practically. 1. Digital detox. Delete apps for 24 hours. Reset. Reclaim your peace. 2. Morning Stoic reflection. Start each day by reading one Stoic quote. Reflect. Center yourself. 3. Journal your triggers. When jealousy hits, write it down. What triggered it? Why? Then respond like a Stoic, logically, rationally. What if jealousy still creeps in? Look, you're human. You'll feel it. But here's the Stoic secret. Feel it, but don't. Feed it, observe it, question it, then let it go. Jealousy isn't a sign that you're weak. It's a sign that your mind is untrained. And that's good news, because training is in your control. Like the Stoics, you can rise above the noise. You can choose virtue over vanity. You can live free. If this message resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Comment below. What's one thing you're letting go of today? Like this video to support Stoic wisdom in the modern world. Subscribe to Stoic and Facts, and turn on notifications for weekly doses of ancient truth.